See that kickback like vibration, violations can't let none slide. I just lean on your bay like one miss, and I only let it stay one night. With my flick check, my favourite toolie, dip, I ain't gonna aim no 40. I just wash in a man's chest, now your white tee's red, better take that laundry.
If they got raps, ain't got no sweets, cause they ain't shot one of my G's. On the up block 10 doors, my bro like tell me who's the next victim. Get on there, summarize and webs, chase up, brace, who runs on your hat. Pull up skirt, have them panicking. Pull up skirt, what's happening?
You just got the road, we skirting. Double tap in the back with the German.
Drop me up, wine on the window, back out the spinner and bursting.
Bucket with me, that's curtains. Food get wrapped like turbans.
I put bullets in numerous guys, like, how come the ops ain't learning?
We got bread and got burners, so look, we splash and got murdered. Man, get the pack and disperse it.
Everything I got, man, I earned it. If the bridge is weak, then I burn it. Free criminal, we got birded. That's the L, but I know we'll firm it. I was vexed when I heard that verdict.
Chef, swim, dip man down, make him drown in his blood.
Knock, boom, never left that trap till I found that grub.
OT chip tryna get some funds. We get bread and invest in guns. Them boy run when we chat them John. Chain splash in his lungs.
I just put 4 Z's in Pebs, plus I got bits for man if you need it. Bitch one dip man G, I'm skiing. Gal can't tell me about eating, I mean it. Blood on my shank man, keep it, clean it. Use hot water and bleach it. Vest tryna chase, got a rams on my waist, see a fence coming up and leaping. You see me? You see it? My sis man's on that topic. You want smoke, man, back up my shank on violence, I move psychotic. And this gang on sell, man, cop it. Drop it, whip it and rock it. Apartment settings with loud from damn, got tea with smelling no tropic. We run west, that's facts. App, them boy there live on tracks. Get round there, some rise and waps. Jace, I put his whole rams on your hat. Remember that day in the as a scum. 3YF try fling it in backs. Opsy gang and dash, skirt, crash, bar, kalas.
And they don't wanna see M scum in the cup. With 2 shanks up. Creep up like Luger, leave man cut. Then the 12's all hot. Welcome to the Wild Wild West, hot stepping in Zark, that shanks in chest. 3 CJ, I aim at next. Spin gets spun like songs on decks. Pattern gang, who they patterning? Pull up skirt, have them panicking. Pull up skirt, like what's happening? See man freeze up like mannequin. Try dash and drop, that's embarrassing. Thought it was Mozart marathon. Double tap, bang the ting. Shows go missing like Madeline.
Gang low key, that's standard. 4 man on 2 pairs, jump up and my shank leave her up where splattered. Gally or me, cause they heard of us. They're like, who's that savage? My bros them bean crushing corn. I don't know for these so-called crashers. Got hands on whappers, back that dots being printed, you might get smoked. Broski splashed on step with a shank and more time he's fully on votes. Ops them lying in my name for the clout, their wash is a fucking joke. Run man down till he runs out of breath and I dip man down touch bones. On the up block 10 doors, my bro like tell me who's the next victim. This Rambo here that I'm gripping is different, it's about 22 inches. Run man down in their block, back to my shank give him run from the kitchen. Pen gal on man, light skin one and a herd, it's her up with misses. Ask man down for the action, so who wants beef with the gang? 3 striker had them locked in scrubs while I was in fells with daps. Run up in the yard and stay in that shit, man, know that I don't give a dash. The ops are wet, jump out the ride, they run before seeing my shank. Man, they run before weapons are back.
They see who had won and they panic. He back to the match, try slap it. Man ducked him down and so stabbed him. Man know that I'm active, I'm a savage. Back out the rounds, man know I do damage. Chef man down, the pussy is planking, bitch. Suck my dick, I ain't bashing. Dishing out T-Wiz packs in the ends. Man bring that gal from Kuwait to suck off all of my friends. Man being round there on a 1-2's ped. Lying, 300 instead. Luger bells in the back with a skeng. 3 jazz and rag on my bros. Them men's caught longs in the wing and he smashed his head. Step on streets, pepper down beef like I'm. Got my phone line running like creeps. If they got waps, ain't got no sweets. Cause they ain't shot one of my G's. Them boy they talk to police. Can't believe that I beefed these neeks. Gave him 20 shank rooms with a kitchen. And he ain't tryna ride on me. They ain't tryna ride on us. If a boy try running, I catch him. I'll kill him, I don't give a fuck. Pretty little face, nice green eyes. Bitch come suck on his cock. I'm the horridest one on the block. Trespass man, I get shot. Double tap, whip that shit till it rocks.
Piece in the back, Kentucky. ST and banks went live, so I got round instantly with a Rocky. That boy tried run let off 2 from the drum, but he never caught none, they're lucky. Press on hammers, I ain't got no manners, his baby mum give me ucky. I swear that auntie got chinged. Gops, STAD and tugs, and both of them push your twins. Light skin made young T with swim. Up block settings on violent things. I'm going equipped, peds and whips, hands on hips. If Jeezy tripped, then he would've been pissed. If Jeezy tripped, then he would've got dipped. creeps tried to draw me out when I was locked in jails, he fucking dumb. How can his brethren shoot up his yard and nearly murder his mum? That happened a few months back, and what has he fucking done? He's wearing general's trackie and Trackball's dead, he's a fucking bum. Who the man tryna draw out? Could never be me. The last time I saw him, his chest got bored out. I dip back for them neeks. I ain't got no patience. Pray for the pagans, man, get small like trees. I ain't got no patience. Pray for the pagans, man, get small like trees. Who the man tryna draw out? Could never be me. The last time I saw him, his chest got bored out. I dip like for them neeks. I ain't got no patience. Pray for the pagans, man, get small like trees. I ain't got no patience. Pray for the pagans, man, get small like trees.
When I shank man up, man, tear through guts, man, stand for the kill. These niggas keep talking my name, this shit's about to get real. Wet man down to this heartbeat, stops JS, I ain't got no chill. 10-11, no votes, us man meet bands and us man drill. Remember that day, it was me, ZKTY and my bro loose one. Jump at the whip, man try run, I caught him when I chinged that punk. Talking my name, that boy they're gay, I fuck man's baby mum. Any estate, back that blade, well known to dip man's lungs. Jail 2 times with a wing with a gang, back that Ram Streets I've done dash. Back that pole ST got whacked and I stepped in a rave and a man got splashed. Niggas think they can beef me, duck down longs and I duck down Jeezy. Young Revs ran 2 times, he's leaky, all the hot foot so man too needy. Pink yellow man from Quay, man dip that down till I'm feeling pleased. Bros them been hitting stains, my bros them trapped in the streets. Get caught by 4 of the dons and we all giving 4 then I made 16. Still got gloves and bellies on faces when we go bush like these.
Who the man tryna draw out? Could never be me. The last time I saw him, his chest got bored out. I dip like 4 of them neeks. I ain't got no patience. Pray for the pagans, man, get small like trees. I ain't got no patience. Pray for the pagans, man, get small like trees. Who the man tryna draw out? Could never be me. The last time I saw him, his chest got bored out. I dip like 4 of them neeks. I ain't got no patience. Pray for the pagans, man, get small like trees. I ain't got no patience. Pray for the pagans, man, get small like trees.
Niggas know that I'm back, you want Kim Kardashian, bro, I can get that. Man, back up the mash and make your car dash, man, know I'll press that. Jake's had man in 1-0 scrubs, that's a minor setback. Back that dots, aimed that high, live all man, press that. Man try to say that I run with my sword, is he fucking dumb? Run up in the shop and chop my man and he went and snitched to his mum. All this talk on my name, how many times have I made you run? T-Wiz got splashed and died, and I don't feel sorry for his mum.
Who the man tryna draw out? Could never be me. The last time I saw him, his chest got bored out. I dip like 4 of them neeks. I ain't got no patience. Pray for the pagans, man, get small like trees. I ain't got no patience. Pray for the pagans, man, get small like trees. Who the man tryna draw out? Could never be me. The last time I saw him, his chest got bored out. I dip like 4 of them neeks. I ain't got no patience. Pray for the pagans, man, get small like trees. I ain't got no patience. Pray for the pagans, man, get small like trees.